Good morning. I had some questions about how to best merge your sections in PowerSchool. So I want to make a quick video to show you how to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Teacher Schedules, and then you're going to just click on any teacher. So any teacher that needs their sections merged. Once you do that, you will want to click on one of the enrollments. So for example, I have AP Literature here. I'm going to click on the one that is 401 because I've been keeping the 300s as my section numbers. So I'm going to click here. It's going to show you who then is enrolled from the class. You're going to scroll down, and sorry, I don't know if you can see it, but you're going to click Drop from this class. And then you're going to click on Drop Students and Reschedule. From here, you will go back to what period that was and the teacher that you had chosen. And you'll click Search, and you're going to put them in the section that you're keeping. And then just click Enroll Students. From here, you'll go back to your teacher schedules. You will have one section that's empty, so you're going to click on the section number. And then you're going to scroll down all the way down here, and you're going to click Delete Section. The password to delete a section is just delete section. So you'll type that in and then click Confirm Delete. So that is what you need to do in order to merge all of your sections. And then once you go back, this always happens for me, but once you go back, it should just show that just one of those sections then. So now you'll just have one section of whatever class you just merged. You'll want to do this for all the classes that have multiple sections, and that is it. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.